Australia's antitrust regulator rejected Alphabet Incorporated plans to acquire fitness tracker maker Fitbit for $2.1 billion. Alphabet is a Google-owned company. The development comes after Google refused to comply with Australia's proposed new law, which forces Google and Facebook to pay for content they use from local media outlets. The Australian Competition and Consumer Commission raised privacy concerns over Google's plan to acquire Fitbit. The ACCC said that selling Fitbit to Google would give them access to too much of people's data, which hurts competition in health and online advertising markets. Google has requested that it would answer ACCC's concerns by behaving in a certain way towards rival wearable manufacturers. It has also agreed not to use health data for advertising. Google has also offered to allow access to health and fitness data for other competing companies as well. Rod Sims, chairman of ACCC, said that they're aware of similar undertakings by Google in Europe, but they are not convinced about it. Rod Sims said that they are not satisfied with the fact that a long-term behavioral undertaking of such a complex and dynamic industry could be effectively monitored and enforced in Australia. Google is at loggerheads with the Australian government over several issues, including proposed new law which makes Australia first country in the world to force Facebook and Google to pay for news reported by local media outlets. Rod Sims has also said that the proposed new law is fair and crucial for media's future. Sims also said that he was surprised to hear criticism from Google about the proposed law. Earlier, Facebook also rejected to comply with the proposed law and said that it would not let media outlets publish their content on its platform if the proposed law is passed. It's not just Google and Facebook which are unhappy about the proposed new law, but some media organizations have also expressed their concerns about it. Media organizations are concerned because the proposed law suggests two-way value exchange, which asks media organizations to consider the value of the content they receive from Google and Facebook. The ACCC chairperson said that he was hopeful that it's not just Australia, but media companies in other parts of the world would benefit if the proposed law is passed. Earlier this year, France's competition watchdog had ordered Google to negotiate in good faith with local media firms to pay for reusing their content. Google, instead of paying to the French publishers for reusing their content, stopped displaying their content in local search and Google News. Google fears if the proposed law is passed, then other countries will also likely bring in a similar law which may ask Facebook and Google to pay to news outlets for reusing content.